Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a star applique. So today we're going to be using a Baby Bee Sweet Delight yarn. It's a size 3. I'm also using a boy crochet hook. It's a G 4.25 millimeter. So what we're going to do is just start with your basic slip knot. We're going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and in the first chain we're going to slip stitch to create a loop. There's our loop. For this next part, we're going to be working all of our stitches into the center of this loop. So you'll chain 3, and this chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet. So inside of this loop, we're going to work 14 double crochets around. So we will have, including this one, a total of 15 double crochets. Okay, and while we're crocheting around inside this loop, I like to crochet over top of the tail, because you see how we have this hole here? When you crochet over top of the tail, you can pull it tightly and that closes up the hole. So we'll just put that to the back. And to complete this round, you will slip stitch in the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of the round. So that's round 1 of your star. So if at any time during this video I'm going too fast for you, you can slow the video down. The instructions are in the description box below, or you can simply pause and catch up. Okay, so for round 2, we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you're looking at a chain, normally you have the front loop and the back loop. The front loop is facing you, the back loop is away from you. But when you flip the chain over, you have the bottom loop. Let's see if I can indicate that better. The bottom loop. So the front loop and the back loop are now on the bottom. And you have this one right here. This is the one we're going to be working into. This one. So in the second chain from your hook in the bottom loop, you'll work a single crochet. In the next bottom loop, a double crochet. In the next bottom loop, another double crochet. And in the final bottom loop right here, we're going to work a triple crochet. So for triple crochet, you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook 2 times, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. You now have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So that's a triple crochet. So now you're going to, since we worked into this stitch right here, we're going to skip 2 stitches and slip stitch into this 3rd stitch to complete our point for our star. All right, let's make the second point. We're just going to be repeating the same thing for a total of 5 times for 5 points for our star. Let's work on point number 2. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Working in the bottom loops in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet, double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next chain, and then we're going to triple crochet in the last. So yarn over twice, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, skip 2 stitches, slip stitch in the third. Okay, these will curl, but we'll deal with that in a minute. And let's continue for our third point of the star. Chain 5, single crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and the last one, oops, triple. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, or slip stitch in this stitch. And the reason we work in the bottom loop is because it gives us a nice edge on this side. You don't have to work in the bottom loop if you don't want to. You can work in any loop that you prefer, but I would like my edges to look the same on both sides. It just gives it a more finished look, but it's completely preference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, double, double, triple, skip 2 stitches, slip stitch in the third stitch. Now we're going to be working our 5th point and final point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Single crochet, double, double, and for the last one, triple, skip 2 stitches and slip stitch in this same stitch that you started row 2 with, and you will finish off Okay, so here is your 5-point star. And you can use this for anything. This pattern actually comes from my American flag blanket. The link to that pattern will be in the description box below. And if you need it to lay flat, you can soak this in water that has a little bit of Elmer's glue in it. You could use a spray starch, or you could block it where you just wet it and then pin it down and let it dry. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.